Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Nair, please lead the prayer.
Dear Lord, as we offer the morning for the day, we will speak life for us. For your protection, we all have to be also halloween. Now, Lord, let their love.
Okay, you may now proceed. So I can see that most of you are here, so let me check the attendance. So when I call your name, say Darna, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So Agustin Binyan,
Darla.
Junior Berneo, Darna. Wow, I'm glad to hear that you are present today. So last class we have talked about the yes, Junior.
Applying quality standards.
Okay, so you're correct. So it's all about applying quality standards. And we also discussed the square. So what does square stand for? Yes, Junior.
Square stands for System and Software Quality Requirement Minimal Unit.
Alright, very well said, Junior. So applying quality standard and square is a set of international standard framework for evaluating and refining a software and system. So we have also the different classification of faults. So do you still remember those faults?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the give me an example of those faults, class? Yes, Junior.
Data faults and control faults.
Alright, so you're correct. We have data faults and we have also the control faults. So how about Daniel?
Store.
You mean storage management faults, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you almost got it right again. So I can see, so you know, so I can see class that you are ready for our next lesson. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Louder!
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so class, to give you a hint to our next lesson, I have prepared here offline Kahoot. So this game is you're going to use these materials. Okay, so get your materials. So, never this first. So the mechanics here is you are going to raise these different shapes. So you're going to raise star if your answer is letter A. So it signifies different letters, just like here. So the first picture is, so what is this class? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Alright, so it's a motherboard. Next is, what is this class? Okay, let's check. Alright, so it is a CPU. Next is, what is this class? Alright, so let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, so the correct answer is stereo or the GPU. Don't worry about it, we will discuss it more. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So give yourself a good job, class. Okay, class. So based from the game, do you have an idea now what is our topic for today? Yes, do you?
It's all about computers.
Okay, so it's all about computers, guys. Said by Gunia. How about Mr. David?
Our topic for today is all about the computer.
Alright, so both of you got the correct answer. So our topic for today is all about performing computer operation. So did you ever use a computer in your house or in your daily life?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do you have anything to say, Ms. Engineer?
Yes, I tried using computer for
Okay, so very good. So how about Mr. Daniel?
Ma'am, I'm not sure because I don't have a computer.
Okay, so don't worry because in this lesson we are going to talk about more computers and also you are going to perform basic operation. Okay, so now let's proceed to our objectives. So our objectives for today is plan and prepare for a task to be undertaken. So this is our objectives for today. Okay, so first let's define what is a computer. So a computer class is an electronic device that manipulates a data or an information. So it also has the ability to store, to retrieve, or process a data. So we have different types of computers. So we have four. So first is the microcomputer. So this is how it looks like. Microcomputer. We have also a supercomputer. We have also the mini computer. And lastly is we have the mainframe computer. So which among these four classes do you prefer to use? Yes, the name.
Ma'am, the mini computer because it is it has capable of supporting hundreds of users now. And the site is very convenient for anyone.
So you're correct, Ms. Pioneer. So aside from what you said, that mini computer is also possess the features of the large computer. So you may take your seat now. How about Mr. David? What do you prefer here?
I prefer a supercomputer because they are the most powerful in the process in terms of performance.
Okay, so you said that you like the supercomputer figures. So supercomputer, aside from what you said, it is one of the fastest and powerful computers. So did you know that this supercomputer also can perform billions and trillions of calculations? So that are the four different types of computer. So now let's proceed to internal components of a computer. So internal components of a computer, these are the parts that is inside the computer. So this includes of course, we have the CPU, I mean the motherboard, and then we have also the CPU or the central processing unit. We have also the RAM or the RAM access memory, and last is we have the ROM or the read-only memory. So did you know class that the motherboard is the main circuit for that connects all together of that component to this board. So do you have a question, class? Yes, Daniel?
What is the difference between the RAM and the ROM?
And so the difference between RAM and ROM is that RAM is a volatile memory that temporarily stores the data, while the ROM is a non-volatile memory that permanently stores instructions. So, example of this is the instruction in your BIOS. So that is the difference between the two. Okay, class, let's delve deeper into types of software. So first, let's define what is software. Software class is a program that tells what a computer do. So we have example here. We have the Excel. We have also the PowerPoint and the MS Word. And also it includes the Chrome. So did you ever browse in Chrome class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that are the example of the software. So today, did you notice what I am using percent or what software I am using percent? Okay, today.
Running something PowerPoint now.
Okay, correct. So it is a PowerPoint. Okay, class. So let's proceed to primary storage devices. So do you have an idea what is primary storage devices? Yes, Juliet?
Primary storage devices is internal memory that directly accessible by the CPU.
Okay, so those are that is the primary storage devices, right? So we have also here an example of primary devices. We have the RAM, we have the different RAMs, we have the RAM, we have also the random access memory, and then we have also the ROM, we have also the cache. So those are the different types of primary devices. So now let's proceed to secondary storage devices. So secondary storage devices, as you can see in the picture, do you notice something, especially here? Okay, Janine. Okay, thank you. How about Daniel?
Long is of this one.
Okay, so you will get the correct answer. So secondary storage devices usually have a large storage capacity and they store data permanently. So these are the examples of secondary devices. We have the HDD, we have also the compact disk, and next is we have the floppy disk. We have also the flash drive. We have also the memory card. We have also the cloud storage. So those are the secondary storage devices. So do you have a question, class? If there's no question, okay, so prepare for a short assessment. Okay, for your activity, you are going to identify the pictures I'm going to show you using this, and then you're going to raise your answer. Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
Okay, so here's first. So this is our quiz number 1 class. Okay, so is it a primary or a secondary storage? What's your answer? Okay, so this is a secondary device. Next is day. 4 is process the Windows startup. And 5 is check network connectivity. And 6 is check the security and firewall. 7 is check local disk, storage drive properties. And 8 is create local date. 9 is perform installation of software. So you're going to use the LibreOffice. And then 10 is open edited blocks. So it could be Microsoft, GPT, and so on. So you're just going to choose. And the 11 is you're going to perform data encoding. And then for the last is you're going to perform save or export the files. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you have questions during the task, feel free to ask me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you may now come here in front of your computer. Okay, here is your computer. This is your computer. So let's start with opening the computer. Oh yes, Dave, do you have any problems?
Okay, go for the other.
Okay, so you're having a problem with eyes. Just go to press the F5 button while the Windows is starting. So can you do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good. Alright. So are you finished now? So alright, so is it? Okay, so here's your okay. Are you done with the yet? Okay, okay, so based from my observation from the all of you class and most of your class is you did especially this year did a good job. So I can see that you really are listening and you really apply our today. So give yourself a round of applause for that. Okay, so based from my observation class, so most of you perform the computer operations in different ways. So Miss Junior, especially you perform fast and smoothly tasks. So I can see now you really apply and learn from your So while Mr. Daniel have some troubleshooting guys. So after the class, what have you learned today?
Ma'am, what I have learned from this task is I know how to perform the instructions and the rules.
Okay, class. So this lesson today is very important in our learning as a student. Okay, so because we may use this in our projects and in also our daily lives. So I hope that you really learn today. Okay. So for your assignment class,